Hey, if you like rat rods, hot rods, unusuals, or just anything rusty, fun, you're at the right place. I'm here today to talk to Jimmy. Here's a little something different. He's going to show us around his place, show us some of the things he's working on. It's going to be fun. So I'm going to turn this around and let's go meet Jimmy. Hey, Jimmy. How are you, man?
Hey, Robert. Glad you came
Man,
out,
it's good to see you.
Yes, sir. Always good to see you.
Talk to me a little bit about your place and what you're doing. Mom, I'm glad, first of all, like I said, I'm glad we're here.
Yeah.
You know, I pass by here a lot, and me and you talk a lot.
Oh, yeah.
Tell me what you do here.
Oh, a little everything. Just like this car here is an old 46 Ford car. Good for parts, stuff like that. But we're using it for a signed car now. To kind of advertise our number here. And do a little everything. Oh gosh, we have people come out and take pictures.
I bet you get a lot of interest right here on the road, don't you?
I probably entertain on the average of 2 hours a day out here. Just people stopping by. These old cars, flag them down. I had a couple from Scotland stop by a few weeks ago and hung out with me a couple of hours, and they said on their trip, the whole distance there and everything, that this was the most fun of their whole trip.
Man, that's cool. That's cool.
Anyway, right around here, this is no 39 Plymouth that I've been putting a little higher price on, so I get people not to buy it. I want to keep this one and build it. I like the old coupes and I like the old trucks. And I'm a 49 model. I like 49.
So where'd this car come from?
But I'm kind of hung up on the pre-war.
I hear you. Yes, sir. Local car?
Yeah, bought it from your friend Adam Cochran.
Oh, okay, yeah. That's a local car.
Yeah, he came up with it at an estate sale. And right on around, this is a 46 Ford truck here that I actually put together out of loose parts that I had here on the yard. And it's a builder. If somebody wanted to fix up a truck and make him a rat rod, or he can slick it up. He's got everything plate right there. And here's another Plymouth. We got the two-door coupe up here, and then we got a two-door sedan here.
40 model?
40 model, and then a 41 four-door with suicide rear door. This truck here is a 47 Dodge truck. When I fell in love with it when I brought it in, and I'm going to put this one together with a Chevrolet drivetrain under it. When we go in the shop, I'll show you the motor I've got ready to go in it. But I'm going to leave it pretty much natural on the outside and put a good solid drivetrain under it, and then maybe later do the interior and vintage air.
I can't wait to get in the garage.
Now this is an ongoing project. It's going to take us a while, but building a chop top 31 Model A nostalgia hot rod. Probably going to power it with a flathead V8 and run it without fenders and all on it. Got a long ways to go with it, but we've got it and a bunch of other projects. This particular truck here I'm doing for a customer. I don't do a lot of outside work, but I'm doing this one particular one, and right on around here, I do a little everything with these old cars. Had one on the truck, it was too rusty for anything, so I cut it down, and I'm using the parts off of it to build a bed out of. This will be the headboard, and I'll have light shining through here. Mattress comes up to about here, but it's a little short, and so we're going to close that in with a box back there to put quilts in. Drop the tailgate, put the quilts in.
Hey, you know, I figured out one thing about these old cars. You can part them out and make anything you want.
You can do anything. People use them for wall decorations, yard decorations, drive them, play with them, whatever.
Chevrolet body?
That's a 31 Chevrolet four-door sedan body. And I hate to tell people out there that know hot rods and all, but they're sitting on a Model A frame.
That's okay. That's why they call them rat rods, brother.
Exactly. I mixed that one up. And by the way, that motor is running too on it. This frame here is going to go on a flatbed that's going on this truck for the customer. And we can go back out here if you want to.
Hey, Jimmy, won't you show me these motors you have?
Oh, I'm sorry. I did mean to show you that. This is a 261 Chevrolet engine
I know you got a place already for it.
Yes.
Is this what's going in the Dodge out there?
It is. I brought it in here and cleaned it up, painted it. It's ready to go in the truck. I've already taken the motor, transmission, and rear end out of the 47. It's going in there with one of these 4-speed transmissions behind it.
Jimmy, for people that don't know, where do you find these old motors and transmissions and stuff like that?
Dad, this is the cheapest thing you can buy right here. There's a lot of guys that's got to have the power and the V8s, and they're pulling these good 6-cylinder engines out, buying for little or nothing. I don't think I've got over $50 in any of them. And then the transmissions that went behind them, get them for a little bit of nothing.
I think most of you have heard Jimmy say he's not really a builder and don't go out and build cars for sale, really. He helps people, and he does sell one a time or two, but he's got a lot of stuff here that's very interesting. So the same way about him, if you see him out somewhere, all you got to do is ask him, and he'll talk to you and help you out on trying to find something. I think there's one special car out here we need to look at. That's the kids all like, isn't it, Jimmy?
Yeah, the police car.
Yeah.
Yeah. That car wasn't a police car in the beginning. It was just a regular everyday driver car for somebody, but it was a parts car for me. Sitting down here at the back, and I got the idea of putting it together as a cop car. Picked up the siren at a swap meet. Took the lights off of a fire truck I had here, and I don't know if my battery's up today or not, but if it is, we'll turn the lights on.
This gets a lot of attention, doesn't it? That's why all the kids love it.
It doesn't run and drive, but I take it to the car show, set it off, and plug up a battery charger to it so we can get leave the lights running on it. And,
you know, Jimmy, most of the stuff that you told me is just a lot of fun.
It is.
You know, I know you're semi-retired. You don't have to do this and sell one to make a living, but it keeps you going.
They do.
You know, it keeps you where you got friends, and we got a lot of friends in this.
Oh yeah,
and
yeah.
This is one of those things where it just keeps your mind going, lets you build something. Before long, somebody comes by, like you said, won't stop by and talk about it. And before you know it, you got more friends and a lot of contacts, and it just makes life a lot easier.
Yeah, these old cars are like a magnet. They draw people off this road that don't even know cars. Like my grandma had one, they rode to the store with them one time, they want to look at it. Next thing you know, you've made a friend.
And you know, that's what I find out. If you find something or you're not sure what you want to do, go back and look a little bit. Maybe it's your grandpa had a car or something that you like. Go back and find something, make a hobby out of it, and boy, just start with it.
There you
ask questions, people help you. I find in
yeah.
this industry, all you got to do is ask, especially hot rods, rat rods, or unusuals.
Exactly.
You might not be buying them off the showroom floor, but the people will help you. Jimmy, appreciate it, buddy.
Yes, sir.
Appreciate you coming by.
Come by anytime, Robert.
Hey, look, y'all, I showed you a bunch of good stuff today. This is Rat Nation. Check down the description below. I think we'll have some more pictures of what Jimmy's got here. Also, too, like us on Facebook, subscribe to us on YouTube, like us on Facebook. We got a lot more stuff coming. So if you like unusuals especially, but today Jimmy had a garage. He showed us around a little bit in that. So if you like rat rods, unusuals, hot rods, old rusty cars, it doesn't matter. Come out and visit with us. Shoot me a message if you have something that you'd like for me to talk about. After that, this is Rat Nation. We'll see you down the road.